Today is day 15 of Veda. We are packing, but not really packing. Eating crap loads of food. Gemma's got the hiccups. And yeah. So this is just going to be a bit of a mishmash of footage of us packing, getting ready to go away. Tomorrow morning at 10 to 5. Please pray for me. This is great footage. What was that?
Hiccup.
Nom 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 nom. Finally lunch. I'm so hungry. Look at this. Packing's going well. How many hours left before our flight? And how many things have we packed?
About 5 things.
And those 5 things are my things.
Yeah. Oh, I'm starting now. Hang on.
We'll see about that. Travel money. Hopefully we have enough. Do you think we'll have enough? So I packed this lovely football shirt and realised that I might get a kick in because it's a Milan shirt and I'm going to Rome. So I don't know if I'll be wearing this. Bad idea. Oh Ben, stop filming me. Stop filming me. Stop filming me. I don't read your vlog. And to finish today's day 15 Veda vlog, I have to be honest, I've forgotten to put in a clip from yesterday's Veda, the greatest life advice. So massive shout out and apologies to Arman Lopez. Here is his greatest life advice. Hope you'll have a great day. Sorry.
What's going on, Ben? So one of the most important advice ever given to me was by my professor back when I was in community college. She told me that it's okay if you're a little late in whatever you're pursuing. It was around that time when I was trying to graduate as quick as possible, or actually back then I was trying to transfer as quick as possible, and I was getting a little older than what I thought I was going to be doing. I thought I would have already transferred by the time I was 19, 20, but I was already turning 22, 23, and I'm still stuck in community college. Of course I'm going to feel a little down. My professor told me that, hey, it's okay. There's a lot of people over here that are older than you that are trying to get their degree. Some people in our class are in their 40s, so you're doing just fine. And that finally opened my mind into thinking that, you know what, life's really more of a marathon. It's not a sprint. As long as you finish what you intend to do, it's totally okay. And that really made it easier for me to deal with graduating later than what I supposedly was going to. I mean, I graduated when I was 24 or 20, yeah. I graduated when I was 24 when everyone thought I was going to do it at 21. And it's okay. Late blooming happens. So one of the advice that is not the exact words, but the advice that really helped change my life and made things easier for me was the fact that it's okay if you end up doing stuff a little late. As long as you finish them. As long as you finish what you intend to do, you're totally fine.